Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung Galaxy Flip 5 to an Android device. Firstly, just go into Play Store on both and get this app called Send Anywhere File Transfer. When it's ready, open it. Then, in order to use it, repeat the same steps on both devices. Firstly, choose I agree at the top. Then confirm. Continue. And allow. Now on the second one, I agree. Confirm. Continue. Allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can select Not Now if you want to. To close it, hit OK. Now you can click on Close in white pop-up at the top or simply tap on your screen. Finally, hit Send at the bottom left corner of Samsung and receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on an Android, scroll down and decide if you wish to personalize your ads. You can click on Yes I agree or No thanks. And when you are ready, choose Close this window and go back to Samsung. Now using all of those categories available at the top, I can select multiple files and send them right away. So just pick all of yours. I will go with those two photos only for example, and when you're done, hit Send next to selected. Then choose Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and choose one of those connection ways. In order to connect, thanks to this QR code, select scanning icon located above user guide. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. If you prefer to input this key, click on Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order. And then select Receive. So when I do that, as you can see, my photos were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!